Hi, it's Danielle McInnes speaking. A few of my clients have asked me how to do Google Analytics on their site, so I just thought I'd give you a quick tour. What you need to do firstly is sign up for a Google account. So if you just put in google.com, that will assist you in setting up an account. And then once you're under Google, there's lots of different products that they offer, and one of them is Analytics. So if you click on Analytics, then all you need to do is really set up your profile. I have a number of profiles in here at the moment, but you simply click on the button that says add a new profile, and if it's a new account it might be slightly different for you. And then you type in your URL. It's already got the TTP there, so you're really just adding your website URL. So I'll just add mckinnesmarketing.au, and then you hit finish. What it's doing now is it's creating a piece of code for you to put on your site, and here it is down below. So you simply grab that piece of code and copy it, and then go to your website where you would insert that. So here's the internal pages of my website, and hopefully most of you are using a content-based system, which means you can edit the internal pages. So this is the home page of my site. Most of the pages have this nice word interface, but to change this, you can simply, here I can click into another editor which gives me a HTML page. Some of you might have a little WYSIWYG that says to change it to code instead, and so I can just click on that, and then it puts it in this sort of language. And so what I would do is go and paste that in. I won't do it now, but I would paste that in and I would save it, and then that little piece of code would then be tracking. Now you can do it on every page, and obviously it will track every page, and so then that will be sitting there so that I can go back and look at it. So let's just go back to Google Analytics. Once that profile's actually working, you'll see here there's one that we haven't been able to install at the moment, but once it's working, here's mine, you'll have a little tick and it will actually start to track how many visitors you have coming to your site. This is like a little dashboard. It will say how long they're staying on the site and the bounce rate. Ideally that bounce rate should be as low as possible, but it does fluctuate from day to day, so that's important to acknowledge. And then if you want to look at that in more detail, you would click on this view report, and that would take you into some more analytics basically that show you how many people are visiting your site, and you can look at this by day, by week, by month, and it gives you some more statistics and opportunity to dig down deeper to find out what's going on. And who's visiting and which pages and why. So if I wanted to go and look into the traffic sources, which is how people are finding me, I can go down into that and see what percentage is made up by what, and also who are referring me. So people are finding me through organic search, which just means they're searching for me organically, not through AdWords. They're looking at my RSS feed, which is on this site, and subscribing to it. Direct, they're actually typing in Danielle McInnes. LinkedIn, the people that are going to LinkedIn and then referring to my site, and then through Google referral as well. So I can get an idea of what my traffic sources are and how to tweak that, and I can also get an idea of the sort of keywords that are coming up when people search for me, and then tweak that as well so that I can make that better and improve on that. So the information contained in this is really, really valuable, and it does over time give you an indication of how well your site's performing. On this site it has some great little tools in terms of keywords analysis, and if you're running AdWords that you can look at, and you can dig deeper down into that. But for a starting place, really the key thing is to try and grab that code and put it on your website, and from there you should be able to get at least some basic figures of how many people are coming to visit you, and who they are and where they're coming from. Hope that helps.